even simpler jobs that are a higher quantity of 100 2 off, you can set it early in the morning and you come in the following day and it's done.
Well, I'm here with James to talk about his journey from a standard 3-axis milling machine to this 5-axis pallet changer. So, what were you running before this?
So before this machine, I was just running Haas 3-axis machines and 4-axis machines. They were VF2s and VF4s, just doing one operation at a time.
So what was it like when you were told that this machine was coming?
It was an exciting thing to hear. It was quite daunting as well at the same time.
We spoke before this, and obviously there was another guy running this to start with who had had all the training. And you got 40 minutes with him. So what was the learning curve, right?
Yeah, it was a really daunting thing to happen, but I took it in my stride and had done what I had to do at the time to get the parts running and out the door as soon as possible.
Obviously with the Matsuura, the G-Tech control system, did that make it quite an easy changeover from one control to another?
It did, yeah. There's a lot of codes on there that just transfer over from a Haas milling machine. So to understand the codes and so on, it was quite a simple task to overcome.
You did 3-axis and 4-axis, but what was it like when you actually got a full 5-axis machine?
It was exciting. It was nice to look at parts and see the full potential of what we could do with the cycle time and what we could achieve within the business.
And now, obviously, you've got the pallet loader on this as well. So what's the pallet loader like to program and to get running?
It's rather simple, to be honest. We can have multiple jobs on there at any one time, different materials, and it's simple, it's easy.
So you've actually not just took one jump though, because you've gone from 3-axis to 5-axis to 5-axis pallet loader, and then took it another step further and got the triangle fixture as well. So what's it like to program the triangle fixture? Does the control make that easy?
Yeah, we've gone again from the 3-axis milling where your lights out running is half an hour tops once they've loaded it and clocked out. In here, we clock out at midnight in the evening and it's still running when you come in the following day.
And what I like is what you've already said is you're not just running one job on this, you can have multiple jobs just because of how easy it is to program. You set it running at midnight, and when the guys come in the morning, you either come in and it's still running, or you come into a load of finished parts.
Yeah. I mean, we have some big batch work go through this machine, and even simpler jobs that are a higher quantity of 100 2 off, you can set it early in the morning, and you come in the following day and it's done.